And earnings after the bell from the software giant Oracle, which reported a 2 cents a share beat and revenues that rose 2%, topping $9 billion. But profit last quarter was 1% lower on a slight drop in new software sales and subscriptions. Oracle is a company in transition, playing catch-up in offerings like cloud computing, something that has weighed on its revenue and its troubling outlook for the next year. Josh Lipton now with more.
Larry Ellison built Oracle into a powerhouse in Silicon Valley, a company generating billions in revenue with 120,000 employees and 400,000 customers. Corporations around the world use its software to help manage their businesses, everything from human resources to accounting. Along the way, Ellison also built himself a fortune. Forbes pegs his net worth at $41 billion. But in recent years, the technology landscape has changed dramatically, and the software giant's future isn't as clear. Oracle is dealing with a weak tech spending environment, which is one reason its executives have offered cautious guidance in the past. But there are also issues specific to Oracle. Rivals like Salesforce and Workday are attacking Oracle from the cloud, meaning they offer web-based software sold as subscriptions rather than licenses. IT departments are fans of the cloud because it can help them save costs and streamline operations. Analysts at Morgan Stanley say their survey work shows 38% of Oracle's customers are already using Salesforce. That's way up from just a year ago.
There's a lot of things going on in the software sector.
Barbara Coffey, an equity analyst at S&P Capital IQ, says Oracle missed the cloud trend, which has weighed on its stock, now on track for its smallest yearly gain since at least 1987.
The fact that they are sort of in catch-up mode has been the damper on the stock price as they watch others seeing greater growth from this new business model.
And we worked again and reworked.
Oracle is fighting back. Analysts say the company's new database designed for the cloud, announced in July, could see growth pick up next year. And despite the issues Oracle is facing, Coffey still thinks the stock is attractively valued. Investors used to think of Oracle as a cornerstone investment. The question is whether Larry Ellison can convince them it still is. Josh Lipton, Nightly Business Report, Silicon Valley.